Hi guys, and welcome to the educational Nifty 50 analysis video for today. So this video is only for an educational purpose. Okay, so today the Nifty has opened at 27,370 level, and as of now from the opening it has come down and it has made a low of 24,291. So we have a support somewhere close to 24,300 level, so it has taken support somewhere around there itself. So let's see how the market will perform for today. Okay, so if this support level is taken and if it's able to cross the opening price, then we might see the Nifty going in a bullish side. Okay, so let's see how the market will perform. Will the market go up or will it break the support and will it come down? We'll need to wait and watch how the market will perform today. So now the time is around 12:45, and as you guys can see here, the market is trying to take the support around 24,291. Okay, so the lowest point what it has made as of now, it is trying to take that support and it is trying to go up as you guys can see here. So as of now, it has made highest point of almost 24,350 to 360 as you guys can see, and later it has retraced down a bit and now it's again back to 24,350 levels. So let's see, will this 24,350 level gives a breakout and goes more higher than 24,400. So if it goes above the opening price, then we might expect more bullish kind of a movement on today's market is what my view is. So let's see where the market will go today and how the market might perform for today. Okay, and also if you guys are having interest to learn more about price action based strategies without indicators, you can contact on the Telegram ID mentioned on the screen for more educational details. Okay, so yes, as of now we can see the green candles are being formed and we are analyzing this chart in 15 minutes time frame. So guys, now at the right side we are observing Nifty auto index. Okay, and at the left side we are seeing Nifty 50 chart. Okay, so Nifty auto index, it has come and touched some of the support level. So from the morning it was in a bearish trend. We can see here continuously the market has fallen in Nifty auto and it has touched some of the support level. Okay, so from that support level we can see a bit of a recovery is been happening here. So yes, if the market still continues to go up, okay, in the left side, if the Nifty 50, if in case if the price goes up in Nifty 50 chart, then we might see Nifty also might get a bit of a momentum. But anyway, we'll show you the end of the day chart analysis of both Nifty 50 chart and also Nifty auto chart to show you how the market has performed for today. And again, I'm telling you this is only for educational purpose and there are no recommendation in this video. So guys, yes, this is how the Nifty 50 has performed for today and this is the end of the day chart. So today, once the market opened around 24,370, we can see here the market has gone up by almost 24,458. Okay, so that's the highest point what Nifty has touched today, and after reaching that highest point we can see here the market has been retraced and came down and it has taken a support somewhere around 24,290, which is nearest support level was 24,300. So after taking this support is when the market has gone up a bit, and after that we can see here it has not crossed the opening price after 10:30 a.m. So we can see here the market was bit range bounded and traded below the opening price of today, and it has closed at 24,325 for today. Okay, so this is how the Nifty 50 has performed for today. And here looking at the right side, this is Nifty auto index. So auto index, as you guys can see here, from the opening itself till 12 to 12:15 the market has come down. Okay, it was bit bearish and it has touched the support level here as you guys can see, and after touching this support level the market has retraced back a bit. Okay, so it has gone up a bit and it has closed around 22,291 for today. Okay, so we can see here the support level what it has taken for today. Even on previous time also, that is on the previous day also, that was an resistance level and that was given a breakout. So today it has touched the same level. Okay, so it was a bit of an gap up today and later it has come down and it has touched the same level of the support level and then it has retraced a bit for today. So this is how the Nifty auto index has performed for today. Okay, and also if you guys are interested in learning more about price action based strategies, you can contact on the Telegram ID mentioned on the screen for more educational details. So guys, now let me show you some of the charts with some of a price action analysis for educational purpose. Okay, so in this particular chart here we can see from the opening time the price has been declined and touched one of a support level. So if we just go back to the previous day's chart, we can see here, so this was a key support level, not a main kind of support level, but this key support level has also acted as a resistance level on the previous days. And on the very recent previous days, if you guys can see, this support level was also acted as a strong support level. But today we can see here, once this price has touched this support level, it has given a bit of a retracement and it has gone up. Okay, and later it has also given a breakout on this support level what we have towards the downside as well. So if you guys can see here, so the momentum what it has given both towards the long position and also towards the short side position is what I can see here. Okay, so we can see once it has given a breakout on this support level, the market has performed on the downside as well and touched next support level, and from there it has retraced back. And this is one of a support level where it has taken and it has gone up, and just after it has gone up it has made one of this level as a resistance level, and from there we can see here the price has been declined again. So once the price got declined, it has given a breakout on this support level. So it has tried almost 2 to 3 times. So once it got the seller pressure, we can see here the price has been declined till here. So there it was both long and short sell position how it was formed in this particular chart. This is for example purpose, and let me show you one more example here. So even in this particular chart we can see at the opening itself the price has been declined, and this support level what it has touched, so this you can see here, this support level has acted as a main support level most of the time. So it has hit this support level and the price has been gone up and again come down, so again taken this support and again went up, and again today after a couple of days this support level has been again tested here. So by seeing this we just analyze that there is a chance that this support might act as an important support level, and we can see here that support level was again taken by this particular chart, and after taking this support the price has been increased a bit. Okay, so making this level as a resistance level for this particular day, and we can see here it has performed in this channel of the price itself. So these are few of the price action analysis for today. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.